my name is Helen and a very warm welcome to my channel. I'm at Hever Castle where they're celebrating their rose garden, and as you can see behind me there are some beautiful roses. In this garden there is approximately 4,000 rose bushes, and they're all different types, all different colours, and it's a spectacular sight. Let's have a look at all these beautiful roses that you can see behind me, and let's take a closer look at them as well. This is my own interpretation of some of the things I learnt during my visit to Hever Castle. This white rose is called Iceberg. It is a floribunda rose with beautiful large clusters of blooms. Iceberg surrounds the edge of the rose garden, enhancing the vibrant colours of the roses in the centre. The rose garden hosts a mixture of hybrid tea, floribunda, ramblers and climbers. Hybrid tea is a large bloom supported on a single stem. Floribundas are bushy plants with upright clusters, flowering repeatedly from summer to autumn. A rambler or climber will both grow on a supporting structure such as a trellis or wall to create a spectacular amount of blooms. Ramblers are vigorous growers, produce small flowers in sprays and usually only flower once. Climbers are less vigorous growers, large singular flowers, usually repeat flowering. All of these rose bushes, hybrid teas and floribundas are purchased as bare root. They are planted together in one large bed which is dug just over a metre deep. The bed is filled with 4 alternating layers of manure and topsoil. The rose bushes are pruned, cut down, twice a year in November and in March. In November, the rose bushes are reduced in height and leaves removed, reducing the chance of wind sway that can move the roots, allowing air pockets to form around them. This might cause disease. By pruning and removing any leaves, it is forced into dormancy for the winter months. In March, the canes or branches are pruned between 2 to 3 shoots on the outside from the base of the plant. Cutting at a 45-degree downward slant will allow the rain and any sap to drip away. After the March pruning, the roses have food scattered around them and then a layer of mulch spread around the base. Reducing the growth in the middle of the plant creates more airspace for circulation. Encouraging growth to the outside produces a larger, healthier plant. Roses only produce flowers on new wood or the season's new growth. Depending on the thickness of the canes, a sharp pair of secateurs or loppers give a good cut. For hand protection against the thorns, a pair of thick gloves are essential to save yourself from the scratches. If roses are not pruned, they grow taller each year, become spindly, grow leaves and don't support blooming. Originally, this area was marshland. It took Joseph Cheel and Son 4 years from 1904 to 1908 to create the wonderful gardens seen today. The sculptures and statuary were brought to Hever Castle by William Waldorf Astor in 1905. Some of them are over 2,000 years old and still displayed here today. Italian gardens are inspired by order, symmetry, and beauty. They are intended for pleasure and enjoyment. Italian gardens are meticulously planned with precision to achieve the best appearance. Water is an important element used to soften the landscape and has a sense of calm. At the entrance to the Italian gardens hang 2 golden gates. Originally they were placed here over 100 years ago. Restoration has been carried out before, but because of the weathering and constant use of the gates, they needed attention again as the paint primer was showing through. The conservation work has now been carried out. It has taken 5 layers of gold paint to achieve this superb result. The restoration did not end with the gates. It was found both pins holding the gates also needed attention, together with the stonework where they were secured. The gates have now been brought back in all their glory to adorn the entrance to the magnificent Italian gardens. The Pompeian wall contains individual gardens to exhibit marble and stone structures. They are complemented with immaculate planting. I hope you have enjoyed these beautiful roses as much as I have, and the gardens of Hever Castle. I shall leave a link down below so that if you're interested to see this beautiful place, you can find it on the website. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell for more notifications of my next video. Thank you very much.